In this video, I will show you how to upload fonts in Canva. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Canva and I've got this basic design that I want to change the fonts for. Now what you can do is double click onto the wording that you want to change. So say you wanted to change the font for this section. When you actually double click onto this, you're going to get a toolbar at the top. And if you look towards the top left hand corner, you've got this drop down box where you can go ahead and select different fonts. You can also search for fonts using the search box at the top. So for example, if I went for Open Sans, you can see it's going to display our results for Open Sans, and then you just want to click onto any of these. As you can see, this is changing the font. Now if you actually want to go ahead and upload fonts, what you need is a .otf or a .ttf font file. Then what you want to do, say we wanted to change this font again. So what you're going to want to do is come to the left hand side and you want to click onto the text icon in the toolbar. From here, you're going to see an option which says add your brand fonts. So you want to go ahead and give this a click to open up a window like this. And what you can do is you can see fonts here. So you want to click onto this to expand the menu. Then what you can do is come to the right hand side and click onto add new. From here, you're going to see an option to upload a font. So you just want to click onto this. And what you can do is drag and drop your OTF or TTF file onto here. Or alternatively, click the choose files button here and you'll be able to go ahead and select and upload your font file from there. So once you've done that, to find your font, all you need to do is click onto the wording that you want to change, and again come up to the top left hand corner to click onto this drop down box, and you will now see in the menu underneath brand fonts, this is where all your fonts are going to be. Just a note that in order to add your own brand font, you do need the Pro version of Canva. As you can see, the symbol here is for Canva Pro. However, if you don't have Canva Pro, then it's absolutely fine because there is a ton of different fonts that you can use already installed into Canva. So that is how to go ahead and upload fonts in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.